Most sewer replacement projects require a plumbing permit from your local building department, and if any part of the work reaches into the street or the public right-of-way, you will also need a separate excavation permit from your city's public works office. Depending on where you live, you might also need a septic or health department permit if your home isn't connected to a city sewer line. Think of your sewer line like a hidden hallway that carries wastewater from your house out to the main pipe under the street. Because part of that hallway usually sits under public land, cities want to know exactly what is happening down there so they can protect other pipes, gas lines, and water lines running nearby. That's why there are actually two zones to worry about: the private side on your property and the public side on your property, and the public side under the street or sidewalk. Something a lot of people don't realize is that many cities require what's called a video inspection after the new pipe is installed, where a small camera is sent through the line to prove it was done correctly before they'll approve your permit. Skipping this step can leave you unable to close out your permit even after the physical work is finished. Another lesser-known detail is that some older homes still have a shared lateral line with a neighbor, which can require extra paperwork or even agreement from that neighbor before digging begins. One common mistake is assuming a licensed plumber will automatically pull the permit for you, so always ask directly and get it in writing to avoid delays or fines. Another big one is forgetting that street excavation permits often come with restoration requirements, meaning you may need to repave or repair the sidewalk or road afterward, so budget for that ahead of time. People also underestimate how long approval can take, especially if utility lines need to be marked first, so starting the permit process early saves a lot of frustration later. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Job Site Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.